Hi friends, and today we are going to discuss account current from ICAI study material practical question number 1. So complete theory part and of course all illustrations and they have been uploaded already. So we are discussing today practical question number 1 and later we can discuss practical question number 2 and one more example sum is there. So there we have to discuss that how account current to be prepared by epoch method. Okay, we can discuss it later from the examination point of view also. So that is very important. But anyhow, today we can discuss the practical question number 1. Already we discussed how bank will prepare account current for customer. Generally, customer may have two type of transactions only. He can deposit the money and he can withdraw the money. For debit products and of course credit products, the same rate of interest will not be there. So therefore, you cannot go directly like a normal regular account current calculation of interest only once by the balance of products method, because the debit product interest rate is different, of course credit products interest rate is different. So even here also it is like that. So there is a partnership form. So one partner actually withdrawing the money and of course depositing the money. So that partnership form has to prepare account current to here Mr. Roshan. The account heading, always we know that heading is very important. Who will prepare the account current, and so his or their name should be written at the end, and whose account current is prepared should be written in the beginning. Always while recording the transactions, we should think from the who is preparing the account current. From his point of view, we have to think all the transactions. So but here only two type of transactions, deposit as well as withdrawal, that's all. But all the debit products one rate of interest given, credit products another rate of interest is given. Okay, very simple to the bank. Actually Roshan account current with so and so Andhra Bank, Canara Bank, but here I can put the heading Roshan account current with the partnership form. You have to think all the transactions from partnership form point of view. Already having debit balance to the firm by 75,000 on July 1st 2016. Further deposits and withdrawals are provided here, and you need to calculate the interest on. So debit balance 10%, credit balance 8% interest you have to calculate. So very similar to the account current prepared by the bank. Here partnership will prepare the account current. That's all. Answer 30th September 2016. Same kind of lines, or whatever the lines drawn earlier for the bank, you can write the same kind of lines here also. So but you can put the heading like this. Partnership firm is preparing account current to whom? Roshan. So therefore heading will be Roshan's current account. So here you may call it is a current account. Bank also may call like current account. Roshan's current account with partnership form. With partnership form. You may write within brackets, it is to be prepared up to 39/2016. Up to 39/2016 we need to prepare. Okay, now let us record all the transactions one by one. Look at that. First of all, 17, it is given 17/2016 75,000 debit balance. Write in the date column 17/2016. Debit balance means like two balance brought down 75,000. Debit balance 75,000. Okay, so obviously for this balance you have to calculate interest. You have to wait for the next transaction takes place to consider the number of days and also to calculate the interest. So go for the next transaction. What happened in the chronological order it is to be done. So when you go in the chronological order, look at the next transaction. What happened? The next transaction is looking on 14/7/2016. There is a deposit. 14/7/2016. There is a deposit. From partnership point of view, you can think cash account return to Roshan account, and this is a Roshan account by cash. By cash, you can write here in the credit side 1,38,000, and of course you can consider the number of days to the earlier transaction. July 1st to July 14th means number of days you can days 13. And of course this balance also you can say obviously this is a debit balance, no doubt. Sorry, this is a debit balance. Earlier balance is a debit balance. Right now you can consider the whenever 1,38,000 rupees is deposited into the bank, cash account data to Roshan, in the Roshan by cash 1,38,000, automatically 75,000 debit balance is there. By 1,38,000 whenever deposited, it is converted as 63,000 credit balance. Earlier it was a debit balance, but because of deposit of this much of amount, and it is converted as a credit balance of 63,000. Let us calculate the number of days to the earlier transaction. 17 July 1st to July 14. Number of days 13. This balance is maintained for 13 days. Number of days 13. Multiply the balance into number of days to get a product. So therefore 75,000 into 13 is equal to 9,75,000. Write in the debit product column 9,75,000. 9,75,000. So how can you consider the number of days for this transaction? You have to wait for the next transaction. What? Look at that when next transaction taken place. 29/7/2016. 29/7/2016. What actually taken place? Withdrawal taken place 97,000. To cash or to self. Amount withdrawn, you can write to cash or to self. See, look at that, how much amount is withdrawn? 97,000 debit side. Automatically earlier 63 credit balance. When you withdraw 97,000, automatically it is converted as a debit balance by 34,000. This is converted as a debit balance. You can calculate the number of days to the earlier transaction. So from 14th to 29th, number of days 15. You can take here 15 number of days. Therefore 63,000 into number of days 15. Write the product 9,45,000. It is a credit product. 9,45,000. 9,45,000. Okay, for this you have to wait for the next transaction to calculate the number of days and also product. Look at that, what next transaction taken place. 18/8/2016. 18/8/2016. There is a deposit by cash. By cash, look at that, how much is deposited by him? 22,000. 22,000 credit side. Already 34,000 having a debit balance, and 22,000 withdrawal, it will be reduced by 22,000. Therefore it would be 12,000 again debit balance. Still debit balance by 12,000. Now calculate the number of days to the earlier transaction. So here number of days in July 29 means 30, 31st, 2 days are there. Here 18 days. Total number of days 20. 34,000 into 20. That is what? 34,000 into 20, 6,80,000 debit product. 6,80,000 is a debit product. So to consider the number of days and product, for this you have to wait for the next transaction. See what happened next transaction. 9/9/2016. Withdrawal taken place to self. See that how much amount withdrawn? 11,000 withdrawal means debit side. Already 12,000 debit balance it is there. 11,000 withdrawn. 23,000 debit balance. You can consider the number of days to the earlier transaction. So here 18 means this is what August. 13 days are there. So 13 plus 9. Here 9. 22 days. 22 days. 12,000 into 22. The product is 2,64,000 debit product. 2,64,000 is the debit product. Of course, this is the last transaction. You have to consider the number of days till the end. So in fact here number of days here in the September, 21 days are there in the September month. But of course even October 1st also you have to consider, because the end transaction you can consider the last date also. In the next month beginning date also you may consider. So therefore you can say that here 21 plus 1, 22 days, number of days 22 days. because that will be same balance for the next day also. So the next day to be considered. 23,000 into 22, 5,06,000 debit product. So at the end just you can go for the total of both. So credit product is 9,45,000. Let us check the debit product. 9,75,000 plus 6,80,000 plus 2,64,000 plus 5,06,000. 24,25,000. Okay, now let us calculate the interest. So on debit products, $24,25,000 products divided by 365 into rate by 100. Look at what is the, so debit product 10% debit products interest. So 10 by 100. That is, let us take it 24,25,000 by 365 into 10%. 664.38. Let us say 664. Similarly, on credit products, is equal to 9,45,000 by 365 into rate 10%, 10 by 100. That is 9,45,000 by 365 into 10%. So it would be 258 point. Let us calculate once again. 9,45,000. 9,45,000. Sorry, this is 8%. 9,45,000 into by 365 into 8% on credit products. So this is 207. So therefore net of interest 664 minus 207, 457, which means debit product is more. Debit product is more means, and he is a debtor to the partnership firm. Partnership firm has to collect from him. Partnership firm interest is income, and it can make the Roshan as a debtor. Entry Roshan account debtor to interest. In the Roshan account, write there to interest. Write in the debit column 457, because it is a debit product and it is also debit balance. Whenever debit interest is there, it will be increased. 23,457. 23,457. You check it once again. This is very interest is important. And credit product means partnership firm has to pay. Okay, so and the partnership firm has to collect on the debit products 664, and the credit product partnership firm has to pay. Partnership firm has to collect the amount 457 net of the amount from the Roshan. So interest is income to the partnership firm, credit, make the Roshan as a debtor for that. Roshan account debtor to interest. In the Roshan to interest 457 debit side. Already debit balance is there, interest also debited, so you can add the 23,457, and you can simply balance carried on, brought down also you can do that. 39,2016 simply, and you can say the debit side is looking more, credit side will be less. Obviously it will be like a by balance carried on, to balance brought down. So here debit side is looking more. Let us see that what is the debit total. 75,000, 97,000, 11,000, 457, 1,83,457. Minus 1,38,000 minus 22,000. The balance is 23,457. 23,457. Right there simply by balance carried on. Of course on the October 1st it would be like a to balance brought down. So this is the way how partnership firm will prepare so account current related to the partners whenever deposits and withdrawals are taking place. Okay, so now this is the way to handle the sum, and I think there is one more practical question left, and I think one example problem also we need to discuss, so by the epoch method, and 2 problems are left to complete this account current. Okay, so we can discuss them in the next class. Bye.